Alright guys, I'm in this 2020, I don't know, y'all recognize the center console, Chrysler 300. Got some warning lights on there. Now her concern is her window won't work. This window right here will not go down, using this switch. However, at least the driver's side won't go down. This one, oh, you can hear it. This one do work. I'm just check the rears. That worked. That worked. The driver don't work. Now, guys, whether you know it or not, I know some of y'all think y'all tough guys, but this window switch happened to be monitored by a module, the driver's door module. Yes, inside of this panel is a door module. Now, when there's a module in place, that means you should be able to read what's going on inside that module via your scan tool. If you have such a real good scan tool. I'm not talking about a code reader. You're not going to get a code P code that says my window switch is bad. You know how y'all like to take a code name and run with it? No, you're not going to get a P code. P code has to do with emissions. Okay, this have no effect on emissions. All right, but this will drive me crazy with it being on the driver's side, not working. Yes, these work, but who cares? What if you go through a drive-through at one of them junky fast food restaurants? you can't roll the window down to get your junky food. All right, so what I'm going to do is show y'all on the computer how you can potentially diagnose this. Let's go see any code set. Oh, ready to go. What we have here is my topology. And y'all saw that ABS light on, so that means, you know what? I'm nosy. I want to see why this ABS light on. Let's go into DTCs. Well, we will see, ABS module internal electronic failure. Guys, this car need an ABS module. I think these on back order. I think they cost so much money. The price went up and they on back order. Okay, JT, stay focused. Door module, DDM, guys. DDM stands for driver's door module. So what I want to do is, and you saw it's yellow, that means there's a fault code. Let's click DTCs, and what we're gonna find is two fault codes. Look at that: window control circuit open, door module internal missing calibration. So we got a problem with the window switch. All right, now, and guys, these are active. I don't know if y'all know what active, the difference between active and stored, but there's a major difference. So now all these codes do is confirm you have a problem in that switch. It does not tell you that the switch bad. Okay, so now it takes a long time to ohm out and circuit out that switch to find out if it's bad or not. So I'm going to one up this thing. That's why I keep a cabinet. Yeah, I don't have time to go through all that. Spare stuff. Y'all see TIPMs, PCMs, man, throttle bodies. I'm so sick of being burnt, and I can cut down on diag time. You know, we can pay the hour diag time. That's what the charge is. Okay, don't get in my comments. Hey, that's the charge. We tell everybody that up front. Obviously, they okay with it. They say it's to proceed. Now, depending on the mechanic, whether he's good, seasoned, veteran, experienced, will dictate how much time he spend on the car. Okay, like I'm a seasoned mechanic, a veteran. I've been in the game a minute. Yeah, I have one of these. I can just simply plug in. So that means I can cut my diag time to 5 minutes. Guess what? I still get paid the 1 hour diag time. All right, yeah, that's how that works, guys. So again, don't. That's how that worked. Okay, if I was a sorry ass mechanic and it take me an hour to figure it out, it seems like y'all would feel better. Or it took him an hour, so it was justified. No, he's just inexperienced, and it took him an hour. Okay, that's a whole nother topic for a whole nother video. What I'm gonna do is plug this in and see if this works. If it do, then I know I need to sell this customer switch. All right, guys. What else I wanted? Because I'm basically done with this video. Yeah, that's all I have, man.